Hello everyone, this is Tanya here from EduTV and now I have with me Mr. Anil Somani, the chairperson of First Time Our School. Sir, welcome to the EduTV's show. Sir, I wanted your advice. I mean, you've interacted with a lot of students, more than thousands of students already. So what is your advice for those students who look forward to get into a good management institution post their graduation but due to certain circumstances are not able to make to the top level institutions? So what is your advice for them, please?
So wherever I go, I keep saying that management is an amazing career. There is room for everyone, all kinds of students. And so if you've not got a 99 percentile and have not got admission into IIMs, there is no need to have feel despaired and feel bad about it, because there is room for you. That's one. However, there is a problem, and that problem is that the existing assessment tests which are there, like CAT, CMAT, whatever, GRE, GMAT, they actually have one criteria on which they assess the students. But then, in this changing environment, there are several other criteria which need to be assessed. And especially with the advent of AI and generative AI, there is a definite change which is required. Now, what the MySathi test does is that it assesses the students on the parameters of 4 C's, which are very, very essential in today's time. Because we don't have to be slaves to AI, we have to use AI as our companion, as our partner. And for that, creativity, critical thinking and companionship are very, very important. The second good part about the MySathi test is that it is not a one-time test. It can assess the students. It's by doing the tests in multiple times, it can assess the students' progress and also whether the student is static, going up or going down in his learning ability, in his learning capability, and also in terms of his performance. So this MySathi test is therefore filling a gap which has been felt by all educationists and also in the new education policy.
Great. So like you rightly said, there is a huge gap between schools to universities and universities to corporates further. So, sir, what is your advice for students who are going to be writing their board examinations in another 10-15 days now?
So my advice to the students who are giving board examinations and who are going forward is that be sincere, be honest to yourself, and work hard, have very clear objectives and work hard to achieve that.
Thank you so much.